Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making the ultimate Bloody Mary. Now, this is one that you can definitely make however you see fit. So today I have got a little bit bigger of a glass. This is going to be a 16-ounce glass. I do have a jigger just to make sure that my vodka is measured correctly. And then we all know if it's Sunday morning, we ain't got time to be making our own Bloody Mary mix. So I am going to be using a pre-made mix. Don't come at me, I'm telling you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start, well, actually, first we're going to start off by rimming our glass. So we're going to rim it with some spicy stuff. No, I'm kidding. I mean, it's going to be a little spicy, but we're going to rim it with some Bloody Mary salt. And then we're going to go in with 2 full ounces of vodka. Now, there are multiple kinds of vodka out there that you can use. There are jalapeno vodkas. There are citrusy vodkas. You know, use whatever you want in this guy because this is going to be your ultimate Bloody Mary. So I've got those 2 ounces of vodka in there, and then I'm going to put a good amount of ice in here before I top with our Bloody Mary mix. And I'm going to go over, I'm not going to measure my Bloody Mary mix. I'm just going to kind of go over the top of it, but I am going to stop just a little short because I've got some awesome garnishes that are going to go with this. So because the vodka is kind of probably going to be more at the bottom here, I'm just going to kind of swish this back and forth and lightly mess up my beautiful rimming here, but that's okay. All right, so for garnishes, you can go as big or as little as you want. So I'm going a little bigger today. I got a very fluffy stalk of celery. Look at how beautiful she is. She's a little extra. That's okay, though. I do have a very bougie skewer here that's got a pickle. I've got a mushroom. I've got a lemon wedge and a piece of sausage. But you know what, guys? I'm bougie. That ain't enough. I've got a whole stick of cheese that's going in this guy. Well, I'm going to use a skewer to just kind of hold him in place. And then we're still not done because I'm bougie as heck. I got a big old beef stick that's going in there too. So now I have officially filled it to the top. And there's your ultimate Bloody Mary. Come on, guys. That's really awesome. Okay, don't forget, if you're enjoying the cocktails, you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. Let me know if you're making the cocktails at home, and if you are, or if you're tweaking them, let me know what you think. I love to hear from you guys. Until the next pour, cheers.